Alright, let's check out this stuff. Crimson Rage. Cast Rage of Fallen Heroes. Oh, that one's empty. Okay, let's swap out battle axes here. Put in that better one. Just toss this one. Whew. Okay, what else we got? Sucks. Bloodhaven. Poison immunity. Does not suck. More chain cloak armor. More of this. Strength potions. Oh, we're still fatigued. That's it for down here. Let's explore a little more. Ah. Ouch. I really don't like those guys. Ugh. Okay. Whoa. Ah. Oh, God. Just killing guys. Okay. What's this guy gotta say?
Years fall twice, where twins lie buried, princes and brothers, they rest herein.
Can't poison me. Ow, they can still do quite a bit of damage to me though. Okay, I'm still gonna do this. And it's dead. Ooh, what's this? Amulet of Stamina +2. Okay. We can ditch that. Anything else? No, that's it. Healing. Okay, where to next?
He who robs these graves steals.
The hell? At least they don't come back. At least I don't think. Anyways, what was that?
He who robs these graves steals bread.
Oh, what the hell? Yeah, these guys are really starting to piss me off. Okay, can I please talk to this without any interruption?
He who robs these graves steals bread from his own family, and the lifeblood from his own veins.
I don't even know what that means. Oh. Yoink. I have a feeling I'm gonna be needing some rocks pretty soon. Just, yeah. Remember this? There's a boulder going up and down this hallway. Let's wait. Yeah, there it is. Quick. No, smash it, quick! Okay, I think that opens something over here. Yes. He went into a illusory wall. There we go. Let's explore this room a little bit. Nothing.
Someone broke in long ago.
Okay. Oh, right. What's down here? Oh crap. Oh crap, oh crap. Oh, I wanna get away. Oh god. It is spinning me out of control. This is not me doing this. Whatever. Let's kill this one. And heal. I'm gonna go this way first. Nothing.
Someone broke in long ago.
That's great.